We're in the garage working on the Kaabo Wolf King again. These TVT tires keep leaking on me. I got a really bad puncture from a big stick, and I know you can't see it on camera, but the shape of the hole is just not working. I had to put a third plug in it today on a ride, and so I think they're done. Unfortunately, I don't have another TVT tire. All I have on me for off-road is the stock off-road CST tires. If you haven't seen the first video of doing a tire change, watch that one. But same thing, zip ties, 3 spots. You want the bead touching, and this is a very stiff tire, very, very stiff. So we're gonna see if we can put it on. I bet you I'm gonna need a tire spoon. We'll see. So soapy water. So the part of the bead that's together, you're putting into the groove here. That helps you get it on. Get past the zip ties. Okay, almost there. Oh, stay. Definitely harder than the PMTs in the last video. Oh, it's so close. Go on. Just like that. Just takes a little bit of determination, elbow grease. These tires are so stiff, it makes it hard to cut off the zip ties. It feels like they're in a seat real easy because already expanded. Get it pop. That's it. One person, 1 tire spoon, 3 zip ties. You can do it. Check for leaks. Looks good to me. I'll flip it around and check the other side. See ya.